Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to make soy milk. So to begin, I have my soya beans here. I'll pick out the bad ones. Then afterwards, I'll soak it in water for about 8 hours. You may decide to soak it overnight or for the 8 hours that I'm just going to do in this video. So as I poured in the water, you can see some of the unwanted ones are on top of the water. So that is what I'm just taking away so that I'll have the correct soya beans to make my milk. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share my videos so that other people too can benefit. So now it is after 8 hours. I'm just going to open it up and wash it thoroughly. So I have washed it for about 3 times and I'm just pouring everything into my blender here, and I'll add some water. So I have divided it into 2 portions. When I blend the first half, then I'll add the remaining half so that I can blend. But if you have a very strong blender, you can blend it at a go. So this is what I'm just doing. So with soy milk, it's a high source of fiber, antioxidants, and they are also low in saturated fat. It has adequate benefits for our system. So now I'm just going to pour the blended soya beans into my large bowl, and I'll rinse off the blender with enough water and add it here. Then afterwards I'll get to the next step. Soy milk too has its side effects. So whatever we take, we have to learn both the negative and the positives before we put it into our system. If you are allergic to soybeans, it will not be advisable for you to consume this. Other people too may get constipation, bloatiness, and nausea from taking this. So if you observe that you have all these signs after taking this, please kindly do away with it. So now I have my strainer here that I'm going to use to strain to get my milk and leave the chaff. If you learn how to make this, it will be great. For soy milk products are so expensive in the supermarkets, but if you have your beans which can be easily gotten from the market, you can make it in larger amounts and store it so that every day you can have some of your milk by drinking it like this, raw, or adding it to other beverages to take. So I'll keep on straining. You can see this strainer is very good. That is the olden day strainers used here. You may think that the chaff will seep through, but it doesn't. Everything remains at the top. So when I get to this stage, I may either put the chaff back into my blender to blend, or I just leave it this way. But I want mine this way, so I'm not going to blend this again. So this is the milk that I had. Have you seen how it is? So now I'm just going to place this on fire and let it boil over. So it's on fire now. I'll just let it boil. It has boiled over. I scoop the top part and I will let it cool down completely. You can see what has formed on top. I will gently remove it with a strainer. And then I can go ahead to store my mug, or I'll just serve it right away. Soya beans is also high in protein and it is also cholesterol free. So you can weigh the advantages and the disadvantages and you can decide how to use it. So I'm just adding it into my glass cup. So at this point, if you have milk powder and you want to add it, you can easily add. If you also want to add some sugar, you can add. But if you just want it to be free from any artificial or any other product, you just take it raw like this. I hope you also try it, and I'll be glad to see your comments in the comment section. Hope to see you next time. Bye.